Today I am going to make okra curry in Indian style. I would say South Indian style. It's about 2 pounds of okra, 1 large onion, a can of coconut milk, and curry leaves, and also green chili. First, heat the wok and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. When the oil is hot, add the ingredients. These are the ingredients I have already chopped. These are the ingredients in the wok. I have stirred it and I am going to cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes on high heat. Now it has been about 5 minutes and it is time to add the coconut milk, a little bit of salt to taste, and also a dash of turmeric powder. I have added a dash of turmeric powder and salt and coconut milk. Now I need to stir it. So it has been stirred. Now I am going to cook it for another 5 minutes in medium heat and it will be done. For the gravy, I had added another 12 ounces of water. So the total gravy is 13.5 ounces of coconut milk and 12 ounces of water. The okra curry is done and ready to eat.